small town of Lumsden is located in the South Island of New Zealand. In the days when the railway was a main form of transport, Lumsden was the junction of several converging railway routes. And today a local trust is hard at work to preserve that railway history. A display board shows photos from the final years of Lumsden's steam railway history. But the life of this locomotive didn't end when Lumsden closed down its railway connections. It continued as the key locomotive in the Kingston Flyer Historic Railway. The Lumsden Heritage Trust has been hard at work locating and collecting as many relics from the bygone days as it can locate. And it has a number of active restoration projects underway. In 1927, at the end of their working life, several locomotives were dumped into the Oriti River as stop bank protection against erosion. In 2020, the Heritage Trust was able to recover 2 of these historic locomotives. Originally entering their railway life in New Zealand in 1885, the locomotives had eventually spent 93 years in the Oriti River stop bank. Recovery was a Herculean task, but the Trust volunteers and the local community achieved what seemed almost impossible. And today the 2 locomotives are on display at the Heritage Trust site. However, these were not the first of the locomotives to be recovered. Several years earlier, 2 other locomotives had been hauled from the stop bank, and they had both undergone a lengthy process of restoration. And one of those restored locomotives can be seen today just a few miles away at Mandeville, where it forms a key part of the Waimea Plains Railway, and it runs on a portion of the old railway line that used to link into the Lumsden Railway Junction. Perhaps the line could be relayed so that once again this historic locomotive could steam into Lumsden. That may be a dream, but sometimes dreams can come true.